So I just got these from the brand. They are 12 airplane models. There's 36 sheets of paper. I have opened this, and I will tell you that the sheets of paper are a little bit thicker than regular paper, but they're not as thick as cardstock. It's kind of something in between. So you will see that there are double-sided here. However, there are no instructions on the actual pages themselves. You have to find the QR code and then scan that QR code in order to get the video. And then you watch the video, but it does not have any voice. So let me show you. We're going to work on this one right here. So based upon this video, this is the one that we're actually going to be doing. So let's go ahead and scan this QR code and let's see how it does. So as you can see, this video actually shows someone walking you through it. There's not going to be a voiceover, so you're going to have to watch closely, pause it, and then follow along step by step. Now, this is going to work great if you happen to have like a larger screen, a tablet, a TV, so that way your kiddo can pause it, fold, and then play it again at their own pace. And as far as age goes, this is great for kids around 5 and up, especially if they already enjoy like hands-on activities. It does take a little patience and attention to detail, so it's perfect for kids who like that more focused, step-by-step kind of play.